What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 360 cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say check out GoPro Fusion, the best value 360 camera on the market in 2022. This model's design is quite different from what we're used to seeing with the company's Hero line. For starters, it's bigger than typical GoPro Hero rectangular models and heavier. The whole body is treated with rubber, so it should cope with minor falls. It's also waterproof up to 16 feet. There's an 18 megapixel sensor with a fisheye lens on the front and back of the Fusion to capture 360-degree images. These lenses are protruding and have no protection against scratches, so you'll have to be very careful when handling the camera. GoPro ships with ease with Fusion for this very reason. On the front is a small backlit screen that shows you the current shooting mode, battery level, number of shots left, and other details. The GoPro Fusion gets a much bigger battery than the Hero 6 with 2620 mAh of power. There are micro SD card slots on both sides of the battery, and both must be occupied for the Fusion to work. The reason for that is that the material recorded with two sensors is stored separately on individual cards. Finally, there are 3 microphones at the top and a speaker grill at the back. Like any other GoPro camera, the Fusion feels superb and well crafted. It also comes with a good starter kit. In video mode, you can shoot spherical images up to 5.2K at 30 FPS or 3K at 60 FPS. In photo mode, you can choose between auto, burst, and night shooting settings. The picture quality is good in daylight, and the colors are also pretty saturated. The video quality is excellent during the day, while in low light, the details are a bit affected, but the quality is still decent. Photos and videos can be saved in JPEG and MP4 formats, and you even have the option to record in RAW format. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present you Insta360 One R Twin Edition, the best 4K 360 camera on the market in 2022. Can't choose between a 4K action camera and a 360-degree recorder? So why not have both? That's the thinking behind this model. We're looking at a modular action camera that combines the two biggest trends in a consumer video. One R is a good idea in every way. It's light and pocket-sized, but has a unique look and feel. It comes from 4 parts that blend perfectly: a full processor module with a touchscreen, a dual lens module for 360 degrees, a 4K compatible module, and an 1190 mAh battery base that connects them all. But the One R Twin Edition is much more than just being super lightweight. Both lenses shoot in RAW and JPEG formats, and it speeds up to 100 megabytes per second for videos. It even has a real-time histogram on the small screen. The device is waterproof, despite its clever modular design. It can be submerged up to 16.4 feet if placed inside the mounting bracket. The 2 lens modules impressed us with quality specs. The 4K wide-angle mode can take 12 megapixels and 8 megapixel photos and record 4K videos at 60 FPS. It also manages 200 frames per second in full HD resolution, enabling 8K slow-motion images, which is great. In terms of sound, the Insta360 One R records using 2 microphones and can also record sound wirelessly using Apple AirPods built-in microphones. The One R Twin Edition also includes no download editing, so you can edit pictures on your phone without first downloading. However, to do this successfully, you'll need one of the latest iPhones. The variety of 360-degree and 4K lenses available is excellent. The versatile design is fantastic, as are HDR photos, details in 4K videos, and super smooth stabilization of flow state in all formats. But it's the ability to rotate the touchscreen by 180 degrees to face the subject, using an invisible selfie stick, that makes the Insta360 One R a brilliant device for vloggers who want to shoot on the go. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. If you're looking for a top quality product and aren't hesitant to pay the extra price, we say check out the Ricoh Theta Z1, the best high-end 360 camera available on the market in 2022. This model sports 2 1-inch sensors that produce 23 megapixel images. Larger sensors secure higher image quality than smaller sensors, greater depth of field, wider dynamic range, and better performance in low light. The resolution of the captured images may be similar, but the much larger Theta Z1 sensors deliver superior performance in low light. The Ricoh Theta Z1 offers a maximum sensitivity of ISO 6300 and 3 aperture values. Furthermore, it not only captures JPEG images, but also files in DNG format. The Z1 snaps photos at 6720 by 3360 pixels and 4K movies at 30 FPS. It also has a 3-axis rotary image stabilization system, although it's equally likely that Theta will be used on a carrier. The body's a little thicker and the lenses are much bigger, but this is a camera that easily fits in a shirt pocket. The magnesium alloy body has a matte finish and gives a feeling of exceptional quality. The OLED status display is sharp and clear with high contrast, showing battery status, Wi-Fi network, and the number of remaining images. You can use the Theta Z1 handheld as a standalone device, and handling is easy, with a prominent shutter release button in the center of the body. All in all, Ricoh has achieved something extraordinary with Theta Z1. It uses a much larger 1-inch sensor than ordinary 360 cameras to offer the potential for much better image quality, but has managed to do so without the camera getting much larger. If you have enough money for this beast, we say go for it. And now we present the GoPro Max, the silver medalist for today, or the runner-up best 360 camera on the market in 2022. One of the most versatile cameras to date, this model sports a dual camera setting and 360-degree shooting capabilities. It's easy to use and easy to change afterward. It has 2 cameras, one at each side of the body. The lenses are dome-shaped, as you would expect from a 360-degree camera, and come with lens caps to protect them. As a bonus, the camera also comes with a soft microfiber bag for easy portability. This bag includes additional lens caps designed specifically for shooting in water. It attaches easily to the lenses, allowing you to shoot underwater and on the surface of the water at the same time. Another important addition is the small touchscreen. It means you no longer have to shoot 360-degree videos completely blindly, granting you an easy way to control and frame your shots. You can adjust the field of view, depending on how wide you want it to be, as well as quickly select the resolution and frame rate you want to use. There is no doubt that when it comes to shooting with Mac, it is one of the most versatile action cameras that GoPro has ever released. This is mainly because you can use this model as a 360-degree camera or in hero mode. The disadvantage of hero mode, however, is that the resolution reaches a maximum resolution of 1440p, and even then, you're forced to use it in 4:3 mode. One of the things that impresses us the most is this stabilization. Holding the camera in your hand while running or walking is stable and fluid with just a little smooth movement. Once merged, the 360 video file has a resolution of about 5.6K. If you shoot in beautiful daylight with a blue sky, the shots look really vivid and bright. All in all, the GoPro tackled the issues that come with the Fusion, making it a dual camera that is both flexible and fun at 360 degrees. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the summarized reviews and experiences, we have reached a unanimous conclusion that Insta360 One X2 is the best overall 360 camera available on the market in 2022. Insta360 One X2 is a 360-degree camera that'll delight anyone looking for a device that boosts creativity. We're looking at a very well-made device with 2 large lenses, quick and easy to use. It has a robust construction, a size that makes it very easy to carry from one place to another. And on top of that, the device is waterproof, so it can be used without fear. We can record in 360 degrees and 175 degrees if we want to save some battery and memory on the micro SD card. During the day and with HDR activated, the images you capture will be spectacular. The image quality is quite good because the device can reach a resolution of up to 6080 by 3040 pixels in 360 degrees. Whichever type of photography you opt for, you are bound for a treat with this device. The manufacturer has also rolled out a photo software called PureShot that improves the dynamic range when the light is low and helps us make clearer and more beautiful photos. Another strength of 360-degree recording is that we will not struggle with image size and formats, and will be able to use the same image for any social network or type of content. This goes both for photos and videos. Insta360 One X2 works with 2 180-degree cameras, which through a special feature called digital stitching, achieve absolute 360-degree images. The One X2 camera can record 360-degree videos in 5.7K at 30 FPS, which will be able to perform thousands of tricks. Since the content is 360 degrees and the camera has 6 gyroscope axes, image stabilization is one of the best we've seen, and this adds quality to the videos. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.